I wondered, what would it take for me to get healthy again? Maybe lose 20 pounds, be able to exercise, knees not hurt no more. What would it take? So I made a decision that I'm going to do what I have to do to get healthy again like I was back in high school days. Lose this 30 pounds. And what did I decide? I decided to take this Mounjaro. And in this video, this is video number 1, my Mounjaro journey. And I'm going to tell you who, what, where, why, and how I'm going to get through this. And if you want to follow me, keep on watching because I'm going to get into it right now. Let's go. Hey, if you don't know who I am, my name is Anthony. My time, this is my channel. I'm a content creator, and I made that decision that I want to get healthy again. I'm starting my Mounjaro journey. The reason I decided to do it is because in 1994, my doctor diagnosed me as a type 2 diabetic. I said, I ain't no diabetic. I ain't taking no pills. I ain't doing nothing. And I wasn't taking pills at the time. I said, I ain't doing all that stuff. And it was big pills too back then. So after a while, I was like, going back and forth to the doctors and everything. I went to the emergency room one day and I'm like, my chest hurt. I thought I was having a heart attack. So they put me in there about a couple of hours. They was like, what's wrong with you? I said, what you mean? He said, your glucose level is 650. I said, so? He was like, well, you could have been in a coma, or you could have been dead. I said, whoa. So that's when I made a decision back then, I'm gonna do something about it. So I started taking some pills, but the main thing I started doing, cutting off the food I was eating. I was still eating, a little crazy, but I was cutting down on the food I was eating. But my number still was fluctuating, because I didn't take it serious until my daughter was born. Then I was like, wait a minute. I want to be there when my daughter walks down the aisle when she gets married. So I cut out sodas. I used to drink sodas every day. Every day I used to drink like a gallon of soda, and the chips and the nachos and all this candy and stuff. I used to drink all that stuff. But I cut it out. 2009? Haven't had a soda since then. Fast forward. Because one thing you can't get back is time, and I don't want to waste your time. You listening to me right now, I appreciate it, because I want you to go on this journey with me. I'm documenting everything that I'm doing on my Mounjaro journey. So fast forward to now. I went to my doctor. I said, if I get my numbers down, which I'm talking about the A1C. If you know what the A1C is, type in the comment section, hashtag A1C. If you know what, I said, if I get my A1C down, will you take me off this medicine called Metformin? Because when he gave it to me, I said, I ain't really start taking it because it messed my stomach up. I said, if I get my numbers down, will you take me off of Metformin? He said, yeah, I'll take it off. I said, you serious? He said, yeah. So I started exercising, started working out, cut out my food, taking the cleanse and all this stuff. I went back to my doctor. He was like, Anthony, what did you do? I said, what do you mean? He said, your numbers are good. Your numbers are good. You're looking good. I said, oh, what the numbers? He said, it's below 7. I said, okay, well, take me off Metformin. Yeah, what'd you do? So I told him what I did. He's like, that's good. Keep it up. And I kept it up. And the main thing, I knew I could do it. I knew I can do this. Got off one. When was the last time a doctor took you off a medicine that you've been taking for years? Type it in the comment section. I know nobody gonna type it, but type in the comment section if a doctor took you off a medicine when you got healthy. So after a while, I said, there's something I can do even better because I wanna lose this weight. It's still been a challenge. I love to eat. I love food. And I was like, there's something else I can do. And my friend, he started taking this medicine, Mounjaro. And he was telling me how good it works, and he's losing weight, and his numbers are good, and his A1C is good, and all of this. And I'm saying, well, I got to do my research. I did my research. I said, it's not a weight loss medicine. It's a medicine to control your A1C. So I said, well, how are you losing weight? Losing weight is a after effect. It's a side effect. I said, wait a minute, it's a side effect? He said, yes, a side effect. Mounjaro was made for your A1C to get in control. And the side effect is you lose weight. I said, oh, okay. I ain't stupid. So I made the decision. I'm gonna try this because my friend is using it and he's raving about it. So I said, I decided to do that. I talked to my doctor. He said, yeah, you can try it because you want to get your A1C lower. I said, okay. So I got it. I signed up. He signed me up. Went to the pharmacy. That's a whole nother video. I'm gonna do a video about the pharmacy. When I first went to the pharmacy to pick this up, that's gonna be another video. But finally got it. I took the shot yesterday. The first shot I took yesterday. And I tell you, the reason you're seeing 2 of these is gonna be another video. But just to give you a hint, one of them messed up. But I'll get into it in the next video. But I want you to understand why I'm making this video. I'm making this video is to document my journey, my Mounjaro journey. And I've seen other people do it online. They lost all this weight. But this is my time. My time means this is my experience. I'm gonna share with you my experience. Everything that happens to me while taking this medicine, I'm gonna share it with you. Like yesterday, I took the first shot. Messed up the first shot. Well, I took the second shot. And, I'm gonna tell you what I expect, what's happening to me, how I'm feeling, going through the whole process. I want you to go on this journey with me because I don't do things by myself. I realize my life and my experience is not just for me. It's for showing other people who want to go through the experience but don't have anybody to show them the way. I want to show you the way, the Mounjaro journey that I'm on. So this is what I expect. This is my goal. My goal is not only to get my A1C down, but to get down to 190 pounds. 190 pounds, yeah, 190 pounds. That's when I was back in high school, 190 pounds playing football. I'm a big guy playing football. 190 pounds. But to build muscle to get up to 212 to 215 pounds as a boxer. I'll get into that in another video. But so the ultimate goal is to get between 212, 215 with muscle. And I walk in the park, I do my content creation in the park by the lake. You see some of the videos in the lake, by the lake. I shoot my videos. I walk in the park, then I go to the gym. I'm gonna start lifting free weights to get the muscle, get tone and all that stuff. That's my goal. So if you want to come with me on this journey, the Mounjaro journey to get healthy, not only to get healthy, to get wise, not only to get wise, you want to get motivated. Because I'm not just going to tell you what I've done. I'm going to motivate you also because I motivate people, I inspire people. So if you want to come with me on this journey, click the link, subscribe, follow me, because I'm not just doing this for myself, I'm doing it for you also.